All right, we're feeling blue in a good way. Our favorite chef, Terranova, class of cooking, is here with.
Ma, how are you?
Good.
Blueberry clafoutis. Now, clafoutis is actually a very simple peasant pancake with no leavening in it. It actually comes from the Limousin region of France, which is noted for their cherries. We didn't put cherries in this. And ironically, this is really crazy. They make this with the cherry. They don't even take the pits out.
Oh.
So they must sit across the table firing like things at each other because they love. If you smash a cherry pit, it's going to have that strong almond flavor. That's what they like in this.
Yeah.
But we're going to do the same thing. So starting off with some eggs, we're going to have a little bit of sugar, some vanilla extract. This is a very, very simple recipe. Some butter and some flour with the proverbial pinch of salt and
heavy cream.
Oh yeah, look at it. This is good stuff. Okay. Now this is the batter, and just took a skillet. Cast iron skillet works best. A casserole works, but when you put this batter in, you want to butter the bottom really well. I put blueberries in. Now, if you want to, cherries are coming out. We're getting them out of the Northwest. So if you get them, take the pits out. Unless everybody wants to sit around the table,
right?
You know, shooting pits at each other. And then it's very simple. Check this out. All you do
just put it right
is just pour it right into a 350-degree oven. Takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Take it out. Just dust the top lightly. This is really delicious, Mario.
And just cut out a piece here.
Yeah, just cut out a piece. Just cut like a piece of pie. It'll come right out. Like I said, think of it as this just came out of the oven, so it's still really, really warm.
Yeah, the pan's still warm.
Yeah, and just think of it as a pancake.
Making a mess here. Does kind
blueberries have these blueberries have a lot of liquid in them. Well, very shortly we're going to be getting our blueberries. Some beautiful Rhode Island berries.
Oh yeah.
It'll work. But this is, if you're a blueberry lover, you're going to like this. This is. I mean,
Very
Mario, you
good.
can't. The simplicity is
gosh.
Incredible. It's
Yeah,
delicious.
so easy.
Yeah, I mean, this will do 4. If you want to zing it up a little bit, you can put some ice cream on it. It can be used as a dessert. It can be used as a breakfast item. It just works out really well.
Delicious.
Good. I'm glad you enjoy it.
What do we call it?
Blueberry clafoutis.
What's on our website?
Turn10.com.
We'll see you next week.
We'll be here.